The machine is entirely plastic wrapped for the seaworthy packing, and we have also fitted these angles which will be bolted like this way from outside. So the machine will be solid packed in the wooden box like this. All the accessories and the components are being wired in this manner. So you just have to remove the wires when it reaches at the customer's place, and to be fitted according to the numbers written on it, like this way. In this manner. You have to remove this bolts, fasteners. You have to take care you don't damage anything. And you have to remove this angles at the time when it reaches at the customer's place. These coach screws are to be unfastened, removed when it reaches at your place, and then foundation is done accordingly. All the plastic wrappings should be removed. Everything should be unfastened, and then only the machine is to be taken for use. Thank you.